In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Asana. Templates are a powerful way to standardize repeatable work so your team doesn't reinvent the wheel every time. We'll start by signing in, then convert an existing project into a reusable template, name it clearly, set privacy, and publish it for future use. Open your browser and head to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This uses your organization's Google credentials to authenticate securely. Select your Google account from the list to proceed. If you're prompted for verification, complete it as usual to finish logging in. Once you're in Asana, navigate to the project you want to turn into a template. It's best to choose a project that already reflects your ideal workflow. Think sections, task names, descriptions, dependencies, and any custom fields you rely on. If you use relative due dates or assignee placeholders like Project Manager, make sure those are set the way you want them to appear each time the template is used. At the top of your project, look for the Actions menu, often shown as a small arrow down icon near the project name. Open that menu and select Save as Template. This tells Asana to snapshot the project structure so it can be reused. Asana will capture your sections, tasks, subtasks, descriptions, custom fields, and views. Keep in mind that private comments and one-off attachments typically won't be part of the template, which is a good thing for privacy and clarity. You'll now be asked to name your template. Pick something descriptive and consistent, for example, including the team name and the workflow purpose, like marketing, campaign launch, or HR, new hire onboarding. A clear name makes it easier for teammates to find and trust the template later. Next, edit the privacy settings. Choose who can see and use this template based on your organization's needs. If multiple teams will benefit, set broader visibility. If it's specialized, keep it restricted to the relevant team. Align this with your company's data sharing guidelines to avoid unnecessary exposure. When everything looks good, click Create Template. Asana will create the template and add it to your workspace or organization's template library. The next time you or a teammate starts a project, you'll be able to select this template to spin up a consistent, ready-to-run workflow in seconds. That's it, your standardized process is now codified as a template, making setup faster, collaboration clearer, and outcomes